Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you an affordable and easy to do nail care routine to make your nails healthy, strong and beautiful. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. Starting with nail filing. I would suggest you to use crystal nail filer because it's very gentle on your nails. But as I said, it's an affordable nail care routine. That's why I'm going to file my nails with steel filer because it's easily available in Bangladesh. File your nails gently and slowly, otherwise you will hurt yourself just like this way. Wow, it was so funny. Let's watch it again. Okay, let's continue the video now. Here I am filing my nails, and let me tell you that when you are filing your nails, don't file your nail tips only. Also file the sides of your nails. After filing your nails, you will see some kind of flaky nails at the tip of your nails. You have to remove them, otherwise when you will apply nail polish on your nails with those flakies, your nail polish won't last long. After done with filing, don't forget to cut hangnails which you have at the sides of your nails with help of nail cutter. Hangnails are totally annoying. Now it's time for cuticle care. Yay! It's my favorite part. In case you ask what is cuticle, let me tell you that cuticle is one kind of dry flaky skin around your nails. It's near to your skin but on your nails. And let me tell you that if you apply nail polish on top of those cuticles, dry cuticles, then your nail polish won't last long. That's why it's really important to remove them. And don't worry, you don't need any cuticle remover or softener to remove them. You can use any hand cream or lotion or any lip balm for dry lips you have at your home. Just apply cream around your nails in desired amount, leave it for 3 to 4 minutes and then gently push your cuticle backward with help of cuticle pusher in the same way I show in the video. Hand cream helps to make your cuticles soft. By this, it will be easy for you to remove them. I personally love to remove cuticles by pushing them. I am little bit scared of cutting cuticles because it's not my job, it's job of nail technicians. You don't have cuticle pusher? Don't worry, use your other hand. Push your cuticles in the same way I showed previously with your thumb fingernail. That's it. Also remove dead skin under your nails with help of spatula which comes with nail cutter. After pushing cuticles, clean your nails with nail polish remover or water. Lastly, moisturize your nails with any nail oil you want. Here I am using my DIY nail oil. I mixed vitamin E oil which came in capsule form and coconut oil in together in equal amount. You can use any oil you want instead of coconut oil, but don't skip vitamin E oil in your nail oil. Vitamin E oil has moisturizing benefit which prevents dry cuticles around your nail bed. Apply nail oil every time after washing your hands and gently massage your nails and cuticles for 3 to 4 minutes. Also, oil helps to make your nails strong and healthy, just like your hair. And that's all about my nail care routine. Please follow this nail care routine at least once in a week. And here are some notes for you. Please pause the video here and kindly read them. So that's all about my today's video. If you like my work, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which video you would like to see next week and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.